Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video. Let us know what you think. We want to hear from you guys. Today we're going to draw Caleb Williams, first round draft pick quarterback for the Chicago Bears. Played college at Oklahoma State, not Oklahoma State, but for the Oklahoma Sooners. And then went to USC, the University of Southern California, and played for the Trojans, where he had a very successful college career there. Won the Heisman Trophy in 2022, setting USC school records for passing total yards and touchdowns. So let's get started. First round draft pick, Caleb Williams, Chicago Bears. Find the center of your page up and down, the center of your page across. We'll do Caleb Williams' head right there in cartoon format. So we're going to find the pointed tip of our marker. And here we go. Kind of do a bump out jawline down to the chin. Come across, angle up, bump out, and up. A lot of hard shapes, I understand. Do your best, and here we go. We're gonna do the hairline, come up to, kind of do some bumps, some wiggles. There's a little piece of hair that comes down, and we're gonna connect. See, it's really bumpy because these are the bangs. This is gonna be the forehead area. Now we'll do the hair coming out. We're gonna go in and out. He's got some bumpy hair, in and out. Come across and connect to the head. His ears hiding under the hair there. Do a couple sideways ovals for eyes. 1, 2. An arch for the eyebrow. Make it a little thicker. Kind of go over it a second time. For the eye, we'll do a circle on the inside, a circle on the inside, small circle in the corner, small circle in that corner. Make a small arch. And then we're going to color the eye in with our dark marker, leaving those circles white. Those are the highlights. Highlight meaning they're the reflections of the sky, the sun, the stadium lights, whatever's reflecting off the eyeball of Caleb Williams. And then I get a light blue color, and I like to fill this in. This could be the color reflecting from the sky. This could be the color reflecting from the stadium lights, but it also adds a little interest, makes it a little more fun to look at. Okay, so find the edge of this eye, come down, make a dot. The edge of this eye, come down, make a dot. That's the edge of the nose. We go up, down to a point, like that, like a flying bird. And this nostril is going to be a sideways raindrop. We'll fill it in with our dark marker there. Kind of make some side nostril lines there. Make a dot. That's the middle. That's going to be the lip. Come up, down, down, and connect. There we go. There is the mouth. Now we're gonna do, Caleb Williams has a mustache and a beard, so we're gonna kind of scribble, follow the lip line there, follow the lip line on this side, and then it comes straight down, scribble marks down for a big beard, come up. I'm just going up and down, making some he's got this kind of scraggly beard. It's not really taken care of that well. So we're just scribbling some whiskers. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just having a good time. There's Caleb Williams' face. We'll do this hair black on the fast forward. Actually, so let's do a neck. Down, down, to a point, angle to a point. Let's do the shoulder pads, bump out. Shoulder pad, bump out. Round it out, and now we're coming down to the waist. The waist is usually the width of the neck. See how it kind of lines up, and then we angle up toward the shoulder pads there. Let's do a big football over here. So arch out, another one, arch out, and connect to a point. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for fingers, holding onto that football. And then his arm is gonna bump out and hide behind the football. Bump out and then hide behind the football there. On this side, bump, bump, longer bump down to the wrist. Here's his thumb. Thumb, curve around to the finger, connect to the wrist, and there's a finger behind there. Cool. Looking good. Let's do the pants. Coming down, round it up, down, around at the knee, and connect to the waist. We're going to start wide at the knee and come down skinny at the ankle. Connect. Down, angle down, skinny at the ankle, and connect. Let's do the shoes. There's the tongue of the shoe, tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces on that side. Bring the toe out and down, straight across. We're going to stop at the heel. Connect the heel to the ankle. Bring this heel down. Straight across to the edge of the page, just like the other shoe. Comes up and connects to the shoelace. Cool. Looking good, Caleb Williams. All right, now we got the details, right? So what we're going to do is we are going to do a orange. Let's do an orange. We'll go, we'll do the number 1 for 18. It's a long rectangle, like that. Now we're going to do the number 8. Basically 2 ovals on top of each other. Like that. And let's see if I can find the right blue. There we go. Okay. Now over here we're going to do, I'm going to get the blue, the Bears blue. I think I got the Bears blue. Good. Yeah. Kind of angle down. Angle down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this orange. These are the details. These are the details. One stripe. 2 stripes. Fill those in with orange. And the final stripe. Same over here. 1 skinny stripe, fill it in. We're hoping Caleb Williams has a successful career. He's the first-round draft pick, so there's a lot of expectations, right? Everyone hopes that he's going to come in and save the Bears organization. Or at quarterback, they just traded away or got rid of Justin Fields. So everyone has high hopes for Caleb Williams. So good luck, Caleb Williams. A lot of pressure there. Now some stripes down here. Orange stripe, orange stripe, orange stripe. Orange, orange, orange. Maybe we'll do an orange stripe here too. For the shoes. Okay. So, we're going to get the blue. We're going to do a stripe that follows this orange. Stripe that follows this orange. We're going to leave the pants white. Now we'll do, see what I did there? We're going to color this top of the sock blue. But I left a white gap. So I go blue, white, orange. We'll do a blue. Because around every orange there's a white outline, so we don't want to have the blue touch the orange. If that makes sense. Like that. Okay, same up here. So we're going to have blue, and then there's a white gap, and then the orange. So blue, white, orange, white, blue. Alright, we're almost ready to do the fast forward, and what that means is the video goes faster. It's basically just to save time. If you want to pause the video, some people say I draw too fast, but I'm doing that so the video's not too long. But if you need to pause and see what we're doing or rewind, please do that. It helps a lot. So now what we're gonna do is fast forward. Caleb Williams for the Chicago Bears. Thank you for joining us on the Hey Kids Let's Draw. Subscribe now and let us know what you think. Fast forward now.